Fall is here. Not only do we get to pull out the sweatshirts and the boots and get back into some sort of routine, but also this is the time of year where we have a little bit of extra time and we're wondering how to make extra cash maybe for athletic gear or an upcoming family vacation or house improvements or whatever it is on your list. And so I wanted to tell you about an absolutely 100% risk-free opportunity to become a Norwex consultant. So from today till the end of September, you can take advantage of this. Now, typically you can get the starter kit, which you know how much I love our starter kit. Comes with all those key starter products. And this has the usual requirements of having at least 2,000 in sales in your first 90 days. But in September, you can also choose the risk-free kit, which comes with some business materials and the EnviroCloth and the window cloth, all right? Now this is perfect for you if you've been thinking about doing Norwex but a little nervous about meeting that 2,000 in sales, or maybe you've been really intrigued by that amazing consultant discount and the ability to make some extra cash sharing products that you love. Or maybe you already have tons of Norwex in your house and you are ready to help us share this mission. You just need to become a consultant and you can do that for free. You just pay the shipping to get these cloths to your house. That's it. No further sales requirements, no risk. Now you have full consultant privileges, just either whichever kit you choose, whether it's be the risk-free one or the standard one. You are 100% a consultant with all of the consultant privileges either way. Just one way, you'll get a few more products and you'll need to have 2,000 in sales in your first 90 days to keep it for free. Otherwise you pay 200 for the big standard kit, or you can choose the risk-free kit for free. Just cover the shipping and it will be coming right to your house and you have access to the Fresh Start program and to earning income and to that amazing consultant discount. So if you've been working with the consultant, I'm sure they're taking awesome care of you. If you are looking for a consultant to get you started, I would be honored to be your sponsor and Norwex mentor. Be sure to reach out if you have any questions, and I look forward to connecting with you.